Did you know that the home, the apple, didn't come from the outside in? It was eaten from the core and out to the skin, and that's why you'll never find the worm in it. But a few bad ones won't spoil the eyes if they fall far enough from the tree. Where rind is all you see, leave Eden with mine. See you next time. Defined by its treatment, you people make me sick. Balance of imbalance can be as been challenged. If there's such a necklace, just theoretical. Brittle your fingers in a row, shack cheeks. So say you saw a treasure map. Straight jacket and tie, psychiatric supply. While we tragically try to fit into a temple. Who'd wanna be human anyway? Who pilots all these crude machines? Why'd you come into this world? Don't come out that way. Like freaks of nurture. Well, isn't it funny? Funny, but you know, funny. Cause I just bet you want even if you could change. They think it makes you special, but it makes you strange. I just bet you want even if you could change. The things that make you special are the things that make you strange. I am the shadows cast outside by gallows, and you the red hot sky. And if you believe us, then why would you grieve for the dead instead of a devil that you never pray for? You become immune to my toxic fumes, my ghost dependent presence in your life. It's all subjective, all due respect to the collective mind, but too weird to love, too scared to die, too alien to take you home. Horrified at the sight of my reflection in your eyes. I don't belong there. Losing conclusions make mind illusions, so I make you sing. You can thank me later. Well, I just that you want even if you could change. You think it makes you special, but it makes you strange. I just that you want even if you could change. The things that make you special are the things that make you strange. Spat out a butterfly and said, 5 more minutes, please. You wouldn't believe the dream I just had. I mean, you were there, and you were there, and you, and you, and you were there. Cause I did that you want even if you could change. The things that make you special are what make you strange. I did that you want even if you could change. The things that make you special are the same that make you. I did that you want even if you could change. The things that make you special are what make you strange. I did that you want even if you could change. The things that make you special are the same that make you strange.
Hello, my candy-coated darling. It's your vanilla baby. I've come to say I love you and I always have. I find it so amusing. I used to be confused and afraid that you would never love me. Right, but now I see that we were always meant to be. You and me forever, planting lots of family trees. Counting out our children, half a zillion at least. We'll name the boys for you and we will name the girls for me. sour peach of my skin, the sweetest poison icing, so tasty it could wash your teeth and brain. The chaotic consumption, the diabetic gumption to do a thing that make me go insane and leave this plane of reality completely. Float among the clouds of pink and blue cotton candy. Let's blast into space and race around like aeroplanes, spreading multicolored chemtrail soda pop and acid rain. Feel so neat, never wanna be myself again. I just wanna be sweet, sweet. Feel so fun, never wanna come back down. Feel so neat, never wanna be myself again. I just wanna be sweet, sweet. Feel so fun, never wanna come back down. Come back down. Goodbye to heartbreak on my birthday, annoying boys who hurt me with all the stupid things they do and say. I can't even remember what I was so upset for. Spun sugar melts in water anyway, so no more crying. Dry those tears, I'll end your pain. Soon you'll feel the cherry syrup running through your veins. Heaven is a grinning face with not a trace of shame. Take a taste of every flavor, anything but plain. Feel so neat, never wanna be myself again. I just wanna be sweet, sweet. Feel so fun, never wanna come back down. Feel so neat, never wanna be myself again. I just wanna be sweet, sweet. Feel so fun, never wanna come back down.
And the columns of you need to get out. Want to you shall convince me. I don't want the infections any. Oh my God, you're crying again. Say that again. You know it doesn't matter. I enjoy Cola, baby, and about my selfish factor. Memories begging me to say it, but just it's dead. Not so what? I'm out the shadow. Only the decision I can feel the pain anymore. I'm feeling I'm the current of you need to get out. Want to you shall convince me. I don't want the infections any. Oh my God, you're right. When I place it over, I say out, I open my mouth and spin down the land to fall. I'm out of shotgun. Under anesthesia, I can't feel the pain anymore. I'm burning for things I can't identity. Them out there, brushing out the memories. Them out there, make a call for the death. Them out there, brushing out the memories. Them out there. Your hands in my mouth, one, two, they never came out. All your hands in my mouth, one, two, they never came out. Here I see for my eyes, that situation is a bit so hard. My device is on the point about there's gotta be something more. Just let me know, let's go for now, beyond this now, I don't mind. Just let me know, let's go for now, beyond this now, I don't mind. Your hands in my mouth, one, two, they never came out. All your hands in my mouth, one, two, they never came out. Count off here, you need to get out. One, two, you shall convince me. I don't want the infections steady. Oh my God, you're nothing good. And I'm just count off here, I need to get out. To see all their children left here. I don't want the infections steady. Oh my God, I'm crying again. Them out there, brush them out the memories. Them out there, make up for forgotten years. Them out there, brush them out the memories. Them out there, make up for forgotten years. Them out there, brush them out the memories. Them out there, make up for forgotten years. Them out there, brush them out the memories. Them out there, make up for forgotten years.
Well, you can push me, shove me, turn me around, but I'm no girl's toy. You can tie me, toss me upside or down, but I'm no girl's toy. I sing my own sweet melody, I go my own sweet way. I won't break ground tomorrow for the kind of affection that was free today. Oh, you can squeeze me, tease me, say I'm your own, but I'm no girl's toy. You can charm me, chase me, follow me home, I won't be coy. You may not like it much, but I'm my own best boy, and not so sugar and spicy, lacy and nicey. Sissy, you're gonna enjoy. No, I'm no girl's toy.
Andrew, you're just terrible.
A regular Huck Finn. Wouldn't you be pushed around and squashed up by a bunch of girls? You tell them, sonny.
Yeah, you tell them what? What do you mean? Tell them the truth.
What truth?
Too many girls.
Stop it! You'll hurt yourself.
Hurt nothing. I've been hurt enough. Packages landing on my head. Tea parties. Dancing lessons.
You're just crazy.
I'm no girl's toy.
Maybe lazy.
Watch it, sister. You say I'm heaps of trouble and I'm heading for a fall. Well, no rag, no bone, no hank of hair is gonna make me do what I don't want to do. And also squeeze me, tease me, say I'm your own, but I'm no girl's toy. Oh, charm me, chase me, follow me home. Forget it, sweetie. You may not like it much, but I'm my own best boy, and not some sugar and spicy, lacy and nicey. Sissy, you're gonna enjoy it. No, girls, not me.
So things look bad and your back's against the wall. Your whole existence seems fucking hopeless. You're feeling filthy as a dive bar bathroom stall. Can't face the world sober and dopeless. You've lost your way. You think your life is wrecked. Well, let me just say you're correct.
Wait, what?
You're a loser, baby, a loser. Goddamn, baby, you're a fucked up little whiny bitch.
Hey.
You're a loser just like me.
Thanks, asshole.
You're a screws loose loser, and only one-star reviewer. You're a power bottom at rock bottom, but you got company.
This is supposed to make me feel better?
There was a time I thought that no one could relate to the gruesome ways in which I'm damaged. But letting walls down, it can sometimes set you straight. We're all living in the same shit sandwich.
I sold my soul to a psychopathic freak.
And you think that makes you unique? Get out of here, man. We're both losers, baby, we're losers. It's okay to be a
Coked up dick-sucking hoe?
maybe that's fine by me.
I'm a loser, honey, a schmoozer and a dummy, but at least I know I'm not alone.
You're a loser just like me. I got an appetite for gambling.
I've got an appetite for sampling every drug and sex toy I can find.
Go ahead, baby, sing that song. Come on.
I got no holes left to deflower.
I sold my soul to save my power. Now I'm on that demon's leash. I'm trapped and it gets worse with every hour.
You're a loser, baby.
A loser, but just maybe if we eat shit together, things will end up differently. It's time to lose your self-loathing. Excuse yourself, let hope in, baby. Play your card, be who you are. A loser, just like me.
Safety in the numbers of this God-forsaken town. It's been a week since all of this went down. In this abandoned factory, there's no one here but you and me. God help any fool who comes around. And you, with your cold and fickle eyes, who get your way. And me, I have got no say in my own destiny. The way it's going, Sticky-Bee, you will be the death of me. Oh no, it didn't go the way I planned. We had it in our hands, and everyone had followed our demands. Then you shot that plainclothes cop. I heard a pop and watched him drop. And now we both have blood upon our hands. And you, well, you made it sound so simple and it was. And now I'm a fugitive and you're the only cause. The way it's going, Sticky-Bee, you will be the death heard a sound from over by the door. I see their shadows looming on the floor. An inch a mile, it's all the same. Now that I am in this game, a shout is heard and time is running out. And you, in the chaos of the moment, grab your gun. And you aim the barrel at that two-ton oil drum. And now I know it's Stickybee, or you will be the death of me. Oh, now I know it's Stickybee, or you will be the death of me. Oh no.
If I could begin to be half of what you think of me, I could do about anything. I could even learn how to love. When I see the way you act, wondering when I'm coming back, I could do about anything. I could even learn how to love like you. Thought I might be bad, now I'm sure that it's true. 'Cause I think you're so good, and I'm nothing like you. Look at you go, I just adore you. I wish that I knew what makes you think I'm so special. If I could begin to do something that does right by you, I would do about anything. I would even learn how to love. When I see the way you look, shaken by how long it took, I could do about anything. I could even learn how to love like you. Love like you. Even though I can't compare, and I'm sorry if I stare, I just want to do everything. Maybe I could learn how to love. People say this love is wrong, but all I want is to belong. I can say without any doubt, everyone should learn how to love like you. Love like you. Love like you.
だ。保健室はサボるためにあるんじゃない？先生、私の病気は治るんですか？先生、私の病気は治るんですか？先生、私の病気は治るんですか？先生、私の病気は治るんですか？保健室はサボるためにあるんじゃない？先生、私は正気に戻るんですか？先生、私は正気に戻るんですか？先生、私は正気に戻るんですか？先生、私は正気に
Everyone makes mistakes. I've had more than my share, but it's okay, cause I'm gonna repair it. They say there are no retakes, but I just don't agree. No, this show is of my own making. Take it back to the start. I've had a change of heart. I know we can make it better than it ever was. I know we can make it better. I know we can make it better than it ever was. I know we can make it better. I know there's things to change. The path that I could choose is lose, and I must find a new one. Our fates are not yet written. I will take the warning, choose a way that's less destructive. Yeah, I know it look bad, but we've only seen one path. Can't you see we are free to choose our destiny and be the way we want to be? A second chance, we just need to believe, 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 believe. It's okay, it's alright to play the fool has always been my plight. In this tiny circus show, I'm the nameless Pierrot. Oh, yeah. No. As I try to balance in the center of a ball as round and shiny as the moon, it's my job to trip and fall for laughter, but I always get back up and smile like a buffoon. But then I saw you crying there out in the audience. Put on a happy face, you look much better when you smile. Your mom and your dad don't seem to notice the tears streaming down your cheek, but I did. Don't worry, 'cause I will wipe them away. It's okay, it's alright, it doesn't hurt, I do it all the time. You should laugh, I want you to. This is what I do. It's alright, it's okay, I balance on a ball and fall away. In this tiny circus show, I'm the clumsy Pierrot. You continued weeping and remarked, I know you're lying and it really makes me sad. I promised that I never told a single lie. I said, but you only started crying once again. Show me what you're hiding there beneath the painted mask. The face that you never show the audience, that's all I ask. The pain that you feel when you are beaten, and tears that you cry when no one's looking. Don't be ashamed, because we all feel the same. It's okay, it's alright, don't worry, you don't have to fake a smile. I just want you to be true, just be true to you. It's alright, it's okay, it doesn't matter what they have to say. You won't face it all alone, I will cry with you. It's okay, it's alright, you help me find what disappeared inside. It's the face I lost to time, the one that's truly mine. It's alright, it's okay, it's like a spell, the light can finally fade. And the lying Pierrot that I was is gone away. Gone away. Gone away. Gone away, gone away.
their little world they tried to be understood, but all that came of it was a mess. So sorted out in conversations, devout apparitions would save their horror nonetheless. Once more, their heads are caving in. There's a window that jarred on their conscience. Once more, they've left remembering to the people who picked up their arms and legs, carried on.
They bombed apart their own ego at the seams and spilled their organs everywhere, coating polarized degrees. They made decay appears anywhere. These are people too backwards to die out. They may never escape from the lies now. They may never come back.
Crumbling still, their little world rebuilt couldn't be endured now. There's nothing left to go to waste. So sorted out with new perspectives, reused and effective. They challenged us face to face.
Once more, their head had caved in, and the past lingered nearby a locked door. Once more, they had revisited something over and over and over again. They carried on. So after all these years, they remain firm apart, 'cause they have brought it from the start. Though they yet didn't dare, there's nothing stopping them anywhere. These are people too fearless to die out. Then they'll never escape from the lies now. You'd say that things have improved, right? You'd say that things have improved, right?
Do you really wanna die as a virgin boy? Loving and liking, they're just one and the same. You're not that special, I'm just playing the game. Hey, I'm sorry, is it really what you wanna hear me say? No way, don't get all stressed and depressed over this, okay? Stop it, you don't ever wanting any more is rule number one. Right from the start, never give it any heart, it's only for fun. Is there a commitment? You can find the exit over to the right. Oh my, are you really staying for the night? Hop, step, and one more chance. So if you really shake that pop and feel and keep going like that, don't be creep, that's when we don't see you thirsting for me, could you stop being rigid? If you really want something, if you don't want it, baby girl, baby girl. Hey, it's a love that I only getting by for you, baby, in your eyes, virgin boy. If it's real, keeping real, baby, shake that down with the feels, with the face, screaming down, I love you, I don't go, so I'm gonna live by your out of your mind, or you should just say bye. If you really want something, if you don't want it, baby girl, baby girl. I don't love it, and maybe such a divorce, I'm gonna do my own thing, yours, alright? Sure. We're instant lovers, and under the covers we smother each other and it's no dilemma. Come to you gotta, cause once you recover, we'll go for another. These vampires are talented sucker. Bursting rubber, worth instant lovers, and honor the covers. We smother each other if it's no dilemma. Come here, you gotta, cause once you recover, we'll go for another. These vampires are talented sucker. Right? And one more chance. So it's a feel, keep it real, baby, shake that, pop into feeling, keep going like that. Don't be a creep, that's some weird jealousy. You thirsty for me, could you stop being cringy? If you really want some, if you're getting lonely, baby, get lucky, baby, get lucky. Ain't it love, but it only give me life, baby, in the rise of virgin boy. If it's a feel, keep it real, baby, shake that down with the feels, with the face, screaming down, bad love you, I don't close, I'm going limp, you're out of your mind, out of yours, so just limp out. If you really want some, if you're getting lonely, baby, get lucky, baby, get lucky. I feel alive, but it made me such a boss, I'm running to my own videos. If it's a feel, keep it real, baby, shake that. How many years has it been since I felt like sorry to call you a creep? That's me, I'm thirsty for love, but I'm down in a beer life. If you really want some, if you're getting lonely, baby, get lucky, baby, get lucky. I fell in love, but I wanted something more, so I'm running to my own videos. Okay, sure. My, you're just a little freak. Why, you're just the same as me. Right, it's time to start the show once more. Deeper into this rabbit hole we go. My, you're just a little freak. Why, you're just the same as me. Right, it's time to start the show once more. Deeper into this rabbit hole we go. So gross.
I've been so good, I've been helpful and friendly. I've been so good, why am I feeling empty? I've been so good this year. I've been so good, but it's still getting harder. I've been so good, where the hell is the karma? I've been so good this year. Why are you asking me why? My days and nights are filled with disappointments. Fine, oh no, everything's fine. I'm not sure why I booked today's appointment. I've been so good, I've been helpful and friendly. I've been so good, why am I feeling empty? I've been so good this year. I've been so good, but it's still getting harder. I've been so good, where the hell is the karma? I've been so good this year. I've been so good this year. And I've been so good, but it's still getting harder. I've been so good, where the hell is the karma? I've been so good this year. Come and I can't stop it. Bye, I don't wanna say bye. If only I could keep you in my pocket. give me some diagnosis of why I'm so hollow. Please give me instructions, I promise I'll follow. I tripped on my ankle and fractured my elbow, but doesn't that mean that the tour's gonna sell though? I try to explain the good faith that's been wasted, but after an hour it sounds like complaining. Wait, don't go away, can I lie here forever? You say that I'm better, why don't I feel better? The universe works in mysterious ways, but I'm starting to think it ain't working for me. Doctor, should I be good? Should I be good this year?
You hadn't earned your fate. Have you ever felt like Atlas threw you back out on the axis and collapsed and threw the planet away? Everyone's just blood in the night street, a vampire picking flowers out in the sun. Run your diagnostic test is positive, nobody dies agnostic, but we still dial 911. And now we're singing. Could you take a look at me? In my bed, in my bed. Bell curve now, that's not for whom it tones. But with my head up in the clouds, I can't see so much ground. And from here, yeah, I look like dancing a roll. It doesn't take a killer to murder, it only takes a reason to kill. We've all got evidence of innocence, it's everything's coincidence.